Today the topic I want to discuss is about how to use the subtotal function in Excel. I have made an example of places where you mostly buy at, and I've listed it underneath each other with the amount spent at each of these venues. Now what I want to do is I want to get the subtotal of amounts that I spent at each of these venues and then a grand total as well. Now the method of doing that is we first have to sort the table according to the venues, the different stores, and to sort we have to highlight the table, select the table, and then click on data, click on A to Z for sorting, and now our table is sorted, and now we can apply the subtotal function. So all we do is then click on the subtotal function in the ribbon under the data tab, and then you're going to complete the following. Under subtotal menu you will see at each change in, then you must decide on where you want it to group. I'm going to group it according to where you mostly buy at. And then the function I want to use is I want to sum. And then what I want to add together is the amount spent. And then click OK. And there you have it. There is the total amount spent at the bar and restaurant, clothing store, the convenience store, the online total, the pharmacy, and the supermarket. And there is the total grand total. Right, you can also collapse it if you don't want all the information. Then you can just click on the left hand side here on the 2. That will collapse the detail and only give you the subtotals and the grand total. And if you click on 1, it will only give you the grand total. Now if you want more information again, you can just go click on 2 again. That will give you the subtotals, and 3 will give you all the details. Thank you. And I ask you to please subscribe for videos that have similar content. Thank you.